On Fiji Village on Record this afternoon, I'm Vijay Narayan here in the Fiji Village newsroom. And the Great Council of Chiefs, one of the first bodies to give their submission to the Constitution Review Commission, a number of proposed amendments recommended by the GCC, which include that the GCC should be the appointing authority of the President and Vice President, and the term Fijian, used by all people in Fiji at the moment, to be removed and to be reserved for only the iTaukei people. The other recommendations or proposals include that the section for Fiji to be a secular state to be repealed from the current 2013 constitution, and the words gender and sexual orientation are to be deleted from this expression in section 26(3) of the constitution, which focus on the right to equality and freedom from discrimination. The Constitution Review Commission confirms that the GCC also wants section 41 on the rights of children, protection from punishment, to be amended and to include at the discretion of parents and teachers. The GCC's proposed constitution amendments to the Commission include the deed of cession is to be included or imported into the new constitution, either in the preamble or a separate section, and customary laws and rights are to be included again in the new constitution. Now, the Constitution Review Commission also confirms that it posed a few questions to the GCC on certain issues that were not raised in their verbal submission. The GCC's response included the use of the generic term Fijian used by all races. The Commission says the GCC strongly believes that the term Fijian should be reserved for the iTaukei people only and not what is defined in the current constitution. The GCC also says it needs to be included in the new constitution as the creation of the council came about from the deed. They also proposed for the electoral system to be changed as it disempowers the provinces in voting. The Great Council of Chiefs says the current system is designed in a way that those elected are not answerable to the people, and it does not respect democracy. Now, they also proposed that the Senate be reintroduced. The GCC says there is wisdom in that group and it represents all races. Although the Supreme Court has advised that the immunity clause should not be amended in the 2013 Constitution, the Great Council of Chiefs has proposed that the immunity clause is to be removed. That's from the submission made by the GCC to the Constitution Review Commission. You can check out more details on our website, Fiji Village. For Fiji Village News, I'm Vijay Narayan.